Now, let us get to coding. And remember that we said that the first thing that we were to do was to introduce or to declare the document type to HTML so that we can enable our browsers that our page in a uniform way. We're going to open the HTML tag and then declare that our characters we are expecting our language set to be limited to the English keyboard, US English keyboard, and that is what we have done there. And then of course, we have because we said that we thrive on pairing tags. Because now we have opened the tag, the HTML tag, and we have closed it like that. And now let us create some space for us to create our header section, or our head section. And now I have opened the head, and now let me close it. Okay, yeah, like that. And I create some more space so that we can now be able to declare our meta tags and our title. So let us go ahead and declare that our meta character set will be encoded using the UTF-8. Remember we said that UTF is Unicode transformation format, and UTF-8 is that it is at 8 bits. And remember we said that UTF has 8, 16, and 32 bits. Those are the common UTFs that you will come across. And remember, we have also talked about other forms of encoding, including ASCII, including EBCDIC, including ISO IEC, and Microsoft 125X. So let us open this meta tag and declare it like that. Yes. And then let us declare for responsiveness. Remember, we said that one of the best practices that we do in building web pages is to ensure that we create a strong base for responsiveness. And responsiveness defines that our web page will be rendered seamlessly in different screen sizes, so that we don't get things like horizontal scrolling and that kind of thing. So let us now come here and declare this meta tag and initialize a viewport, and then we format our content so that it fits within the screen, and then we zoom it 1 times when the page initially loads. There is a okay. Then let us declare title. This is a title that I'm putting, and a title can be anything. Like for example, for this one, I want to just come and say it's a responsive HTML page. And now that we are done with that, let us close the title. And remember, we said that when you are loading the page, even before you start seeing the structure of the page or the active area of the page, on the title bar, you will see a responsive HTML page as your title as you started to load. Now that we have opened the HTML and we have opened the head section, and we don't have much to declare there, but we will come in due time. We will come to include the CSS there, to include all the files that we are bringing in. We will bring them there, and we even things like Bootstrap, we will initialize them at the head section. Let us now go to our body, and like we have done in the other demonstration, let us now put the body. Let us open the body tag and close it, and inside put a H1, a heading 1, and put some text in between there, so that heading can be styled. That text can be styled as a heading. And there is it, my responsive HTML page. That is the heading the text that will come in between there. Then let us put a paragraph tag and close it like that, and then put some text there. This is my first ever responsive HTML code. And by so doing, we have just created some HTML code, and we have this is like a boilerplate code. And let us do a little bit of cleaning up this code. Let me see. I think like we need to get done with that. With device width there, we don't need that. What else don't we need? and I think our code is good now, and we can go ahead and save it. Now we can go ahead and save it. Let us save it here. No. Okay, let me show you where I save mine. I have a web server here called XAMPP, and inside XAMPP is where I save. I have these two. Then I have that folder. I can even call this the index.php. Index.php file. Inside the code with MK. And now you can see that now our browser, our encoding now shows us the different, now you can see the code has different colors. So let us continue. I know I have not taken you through the issue of the web server, but that one you can sort it before you start coding. So thank you, and let us meet while introducing CSS and JavaScript.